guys, it's a very exciting time of the day. This is house number 1. First impressions?
Oh, it's really grand. It's gorgeous.
Yeah, there's a bit to it, yeah.
It is a bit to it. This is the Bayville from the Metricon. It's the signature series that they have here, and it's just beautiful, opulence on steroids. It is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 3 living spaces.
Oh, yes.
So there's room for all the family to move around here. Should we go check it out?
Yeah, let's do that.
Follow me.
Wow.
It's a beautiful home, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's incredible, yeah.
Lovely.
Beautiful high ceilings.
So designed for a longer, narrower kind of block. There's definitely a play on natural light, and even though it's Melbourne, they've given you the option to have this whole outdoor area opened up.
Yeah, I love all of the bifolds and the stacking sliding doors that lead out into the entertaining area. I think that'll be really
Lots of
great.
glass, it's lovely.
Yeah, and a nice areas for the whole family to have a bit of space. Obviously, this is a beautiful communal area to sit down and watch a movie at night, have dinner here. But this is the largest version. There are 3 floor plan options for this knockdown rebuild. This is the highest of them all, so this is the biggest. I can see myself in here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, nice. Yeah.
It goes on for miles. Have you seen how deep that is?
Oh, wow.
Yeah. I love it, and I think it's just got a lovely vibe to it. Tell me what you're thinking, Graham.
It's cosy, but it's spacious. If that's not too much of a paradox. Yeah, it's lovely. It's really relaxing. Like if you're this calming environment as well, and with the windows out into a water feature in this particular example.
Oh, wow.
Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah. Yeah,
Double vanity.
That'd be nice.
Yeah, little low for us. We're a bit taller, so we managed to get that
Yeah, we
up
can
a touch.
talk about getting that adjusted.
Good storage though, no?
Yeah. What have we got?
Oh, interesting. Doors. They're not drawers.
So
No more floor drove.
that's what clothes look like, not on the floor.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, great storage.
Yeah, sweet. Lots of
I
it.
actually love that it's doors as well, because then your stuff doesn't get dusty in like an open.
So let's talk about kitchen dreams, guys. What do you need from a
Yeah.
kitchen as a blended family?
As much space as possible. There's always someone in the fridge opening the fridge door constantly, isn't there?
Yeah. Half-eaten bits of toast on the bench.
When everyone's in the space, it's chaos. So
Yeah.
somewhere we can sort of minimise chaos would be ideal. Yep.
And we're entertainers too, so it sort of doesn't matter how big the dining table is. You know, when you're preparing, or we've got like wine and cheese and everything, everyone sits at the kitchen bench while you're putting stuff together anyway.
Yeah.
So having that beautiful big island, it becomes like the hub. When everyone walks in the door, you gather around the island.
Connect straight through to the laundry.
Yeah.
Right. Yep.
And then through to the garage as well. So when they're coming home from school with all the kids, it makes a really good drop zone. They can throw their dirties straight in here.
Yeah.
School bags.
Yep.
Then come through here and put lunch boxes in like the dishwasher
Yeah,
and
cool.
the sink
Yeah,
and everything.
exactly. Yeah, dump and run.
Dump and run.
So what do you reckon?
I really love this space. I think it makes a really great kids retreat. I love the office space over there as well. And the void you can see when you're coming through that door. The light up here is incredible.
Yeah. Graham, how are you vibing? I mean, you're very quiet in terms of you're looking and nodding a lot.
Thoughtful.
Yeah, thoughtful. But what are you, heart of your hearts, thinking about this design?
Just there's a space where the kids can get away, have their movie nights, have their friends over, because that's when it gets even more chaotic, when they have friends of friends.
Yeah.
So not slumber parties, but we get 4 or 5 kids up here, and they can have a great time up here, completely removed from us. It's got a good vibe, yeah. I mean, the floor plan's good.
Yeah, I like the floor plan. I like that the whole kids area and retreat is, quite separate. So when we've got our friends over and they've got their friends over, we can have that bit of separation. Everyone's got their own privacy.
So up at the very front of the house is this, which I like to affectionately call the good room.
The good room.
The Christmas tree room. No kids allowed. But this I thought might be a great space for your work from home, your home office, because you guys are advertising executives.
Yeah.
And so you've got your big Macs and you've got your bits and pieces, the occasional client coming through. Will this work?
Yeah, being right at the front door sort of keeps the rest of the house private as well. Good, beautiful, natural light, nice big windows. It's definitely enough space.
But yeah, this is really, this is what we haven't got now, and that's what we'd like.
Yeah, I think we'd probably have to weatherproof it because it is cold so much of the year, so it'd be more like cafe blinds as well.
Knockdown Rebuild is a really exciting time to reclaim your block of land and really think about what you want for the next chapter of your life. And this is from the signature range. It is the Bayville from Metricon, and I think it's pretty stunning. It would make a great home for any family. Just head over to metricon.com.au. You'll find all the floor plan details there and some beautiful behind the scenes photos.